But okay, so let's go. Max. So this is my room. Come in. It's lovely, isn't it? It's all messy. There's my bookshelf with my moose collection up there. And then my printer and my desk. A lovely comfy chair over there with our homemade curtains. I like them, they're stripy. That's my bed. Isn't it lovely, all zebra-y? I'm going to put a Instagram collage wall on that wall, so it's going to look really cool. And there's my posters. Got Star Trek, Frank Lloyd Wright, Hunger Games, woo! And then Max has his own little bed right there. Oh, good boy, Max. He's in his bed. That is so cute. Oh, good boy. Good boy. And then that's my Star Wars poster. Oops, you can't see it, stupid glare. That's my Star Wars poster, puzzle thing that Rosa gave me. And the best part is, bum bum bum, Doctor! He's so cool. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, so cute. He's so cute. So this is my room, right? It's lovely, boring, whatever. There's my closet. You don't want to see my closet. Trust me. So, spinning back around, coming out here. That's the kitchen. But first we have my bathroom. Over here. Turn the light on. Pretty bathroom. So cute. Look at that curtain. It's such a cute curtain. What is that? Oh, hello. How are you? Hi. Anyway. Bathroom is bathroom. Whatever. And this is the kitchen. It's a lot bigger than our other kitchen. We have a big island with the counters and the stuff. It's cool. There's the front door, you know. You always need a front door. Max, come on. Hi, cutie. Look at that. Hello, sweetie pie. How are you? How are you? You a good boy. You a good boy. Yes, you are. Oh, you're cute. Man. Anyway, sorry. I am so weird. That's our dining room table, obviously. And then we have the cyber cafe on that side. I really want to put a huge world map on there so we can like put stickers of everywhere that we've been. I think that would be fun. That's my parents' room. Don't want to go in there. They'll probably kill me. Hey, look, I took that picture. That's my picture. That's so cool. Anyway, so then now the living room. We have lovely futon with the TV and the other couch. Oh, ow, right into the couch. And then our lovely balcony outside. Max, you want to go outside? Look at this. Oh my god, the door is heavy. Open it. I actually ran into the door, the screen door this morning. Felt like an idiot. So that's our little sitting area out here. Ooh, it's bright. And that's the fire pit downstairs. You can go out there and relax. But you can see trees. Look, there's trees and there's buildings. And then over here you can see the tower. There's the tower. There's the tower. I guess you can't really see it. It's right there. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi, Max. Cutie, you are so cute. Oh my god, I love you. Anyway. Yeah. So, our house is pretty boring. But, you know, whatever. Max, come on. We like it. We still have some things to put up on the wall to make it a little more homey. You know, like that wall is completely bare, but whatever. And so, it's just pretty chill. Nice. Oh, I love that kitchen. It's so big. Look at this. So big. That's like a 5-butt kitchen. It's lovely. I like it. Max, do you like it? He likes it. You're so cute. And then here we have another one of my pictures. Oh, look at that. See the world from a whole new perspective. Lovely. Ooh, I got a gold key. Oh, who would have thought? I have talent, huh? Anyway, So, back to my room. I'm going to show you some of the cool stuff in my room. So I have, of course, you know, my Moose collection over there. And then all of my track, cross-country letters. And I have my Huskers, Nebraska Huskers, little shrine over here. Oh, look, there's me at prom. Well, before prom. Whatever. That's my good thoughts jar thing. So you put good things in it, and then at the end of the year, you read them all and you cry, and it's beautiful. There's all of my books and stuff. Ooh, that's my doll from when we went to Russia and all that stuff. Ooh, I made that in like 7th grade or something. It was cool. That's from ROTC, freshman year, in the stereo with all the stuff. Yep, it's so boring, but it's mine. Anyway, say bye, Max. Say good boy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.